Here we have the new amplifier IVA DPE 2.10, which means 2 channel 1000 watt. So this is how it looks like in the front, from the top and the back. So you can see the inputs: 1 the link output, channel 2 link 2, the speaker on channel 1 and channel 2 out, the fan and the AC input. Okay, this is how it looks like, and let's play some music and turn on and turn on. We are playing with IVA PS15 speakers, and let's have a look at the signal, whether it's clipping or not. So it's still healthy, no clipping, no protect. This one to the maximum, this one off. Can you listen to my voice? So go back to the amplifier. Here we go. The amplifier, there's no clipping yet. Still in a healthy signal, but the sound is quite loud. Mixer wise, we are using digital mixer. Still quite a healthy signal.